Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to send Solana from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase. So since we are going to be receiving in Coinbase, I'm going to be opening Coinbase first. Then click on, you can see we have buy, swap and cash out. I'm going to be clicking on this add crypto at the bottom mid. Click on this option, click on receive crypto, select Solana, and then you can see the address is now copied, or if you want to do with your QR code you can do that as well. Now let's just close this, and I'm gonna be simply okay. So now what we need to do is we are going to be heading over to our Phantom wallet. So we are going to be sending now from Phantom wallet to Coinbase. So click on send and select Solana, allow pasting. You can see the address is already pasted here. Click on next, enter the amount, and then click on send. So that wraps up the process. That's how you can send Solana from Phantom wallet to Coinbase.